smart kita. Ang sikreto ala, nakawala dito. Now look. So check. I think of 1, 2, 3, you guys good? Alright, we begin. Alright everyone, let's hit the main magic show. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoy. Begin everyone, so I'm going to give back the floor to our host. Thank you so much guys.
Alright, a round of applause once again. John British, the magician. Pakpak balik-balik. So again, hindi ka maglagay nun because we're getting high, of course. Again, patulinda sa mga small business. Of course, we would like to thank our generous sponsor, ladies and gentlemen. Naghating salamat on behalf of our group, Zit and Sim, Koijin Cebuano Best Barbecue, Yamik Kaiko, Code House, Seapoint Sizzling Barbecue, Miko Sizzling House, and Master's Grill, mga lamihang pagkaon o mga lamihang mainom, ladies and gentlemen. Up next, ayaw dyan mo pa muli because nakapatay mga highlights, makikita dyan mo mga datong bitin. That's real bitin dyan, a real snake. Later on, makikita na dyan tag-anang for the very first time na buhaton, dili lang na sa tambayan sa Bulacron Park, Bulacau. Okay, please enjoy the night because sa among grupo gibuhat na mo ang tanan para sa inyong kalipay. Kasakit na mo kalipay ninyo. Pakpak! Balik-balik din. So now, ladies and gentlemen, one of the grand champion of Pilipinas Got Talent, of Lapu-Lapu Got Talent, Beatbox. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi oro kaya tanan, pero sa salisias contender nga, ligon kaayo. A big hand for the master beatbox. Berhe! Pakpak! Ladies and gentlemen, okay, is that ready? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, atong pakpakan, one of our grand champion of Lapu-Lapu Got Talent and contenders sa Pilipinas Got Talent Season 2. Ladies and gentlemen, mga kauban na ginina mo, no? Atong pakpakan, once again, the Beatbox Master, Vincent! Pakpak balik-balik.
May gabi kita na ako si Vincent Pellegro from Lapu-Lapu City. Di pulugan pero tiga na nasa kong ba.
Airplane.